So I'm a huge fan of the channel Cube Rhythms, and I've been good buddies with Blue from that channel for a while now. And if you haven't seen his channel, definitely go check it out after this video. He makes super awesome Rubik's Cubing videos as well as life stories. I mean, I'm not a cuber, I can't even solve a Rubik's Cube, and I love watching his videos. So we were talking a little while back and I was telling him about my laser cutter, and I mentioned I'd be interested in cutting out some vinyl stickers to maybe resticker a Rubik's Cube. So he was like, yeah, that sounds awesome, you should totally try that. And he actually gave me a cube to work with. So I bought a pack of vinyl stickers off of Amazon, I'll leave a link in the description, and I started testing with them. So the first thing I did was a speed test. I tested a few different speeds of the laser to see what would work best, and I ended up going with 10 millimeters a second because it created a clean cut without leaving too much residue behind. So the first two sides I worked on were the red and blue side, and I wanted to make them say red versus blue because that's kind of a slogan that Blue uses on his channel, and that worked out really well. So I drew it up in SolidWorks and exported the DXF files into a free program called ESDLCAM in order to make the G-code for my laser. And if you guys want a tutorial for that, let me know in the comments, I could totally do that. So I cut out the red and blue stickers and laid them on just by hand, and honestly, I was really impressed by how clean it looked. The lines were super sharp, and I was able to get them on pretty straight, and I'm really happy with how those two sides turned out. So then I wanted to move on to something a little bit more complicated. So I pulled Blue's avatar off of Twitter and imported it into SolidWorks and started extruding different faces for the different colors of his logo. So I ended up using a black, a brown, a blue, and then a lighter blue, and I was able to cut them all separately and overlay them on each other, and I think the result of that turned out phenomenally well. It looks super awesome. The final side that I've done so far is his logo.
Every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may, may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you night and day, if I may, may. I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you.
I have two more sides to cover here, yellow and green, and I'm out of ideas. So here's what I want to do. You guys, let me know in the comments what these should be and what I can do that would fit with the theme of his channel, and I will pick my favorites, make it, and send it over to Blue. So he hasn't seen any of this, so make sure you go subscribe to his channel so that you don't miss it when he sees this cube. See you next time. Bye.
I'd like to. I'd like to love you every day. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like to love you, love you. If I may, if I may. I'd like to love you, love you. I'd like like to love you, love you. I like to love you night and day, if I may.